I'm discuss very important topic. Any WordPress website, how to set up new Google Search Console. So first I can copy my website URL. Google Search Console will be two options. One is use the plugin without plugin, with plugin and without plugin. So I discuss about two options, with plugin and without plugin. First of all, copy the URL. So people ask you one question. So without plugin can I use by the webmaster and analytics? It is possible. But when you know about the coding techniques, they can use. So most of the people WordPress they're using by the plugins by the option by your activate by your options. The activation will be two process. Download HTML and download the tag. So that will be explained. Go to google.com/webmaster. In this option call is add property. We have two options with HTTP which is double three direction without double three. So always select by the URL prefix. Select by continue. Is given by two options. One is the download HTML file and the HTML tag. HTML tag will be plugin purpose. Download by the cPanel purpose. So both I will explain. First of all, download here. Once you download, you can check the code perfectly. 875. Your code will be Google DBD 875 F9. Next, HTML tag. Select your tag. Property tag. This tag will be supported by the plugins, where you can paste the code. I'll show two processes. One is HTML, and second will be HTML meta tag. Copy the tag. Go to your option. In the option call is we all install one plugin name is called all-in-one SEO plugin. This is the all-in-one SEO plugin. When you open this plugin, without this plugin, we can't optimize the Google Webmaster. We can separately install by the Google Webmaster plugin. No need that waste of your time. All-in-one SEO better from any webmasters. Just scroll down. Here we can check by search by the Google Webmaster. So where you can find out, stop it. Add here. Click for Control V. Done my code. Just scroll down. Total scroll down. Now click for update. Done by update. After updating, click for verify. The verification will be done. The verification will be done. So you can check here. Find the verification meta tag. So we'll check. Is done. When optimize this code, okay. So click for verify. The verification, most of the failure is the option is called your optimized code will be mistakes. Done. Now refresh. Again check. What is our website is called? Book your property. Done. Then my Google Webmaster. What the second option will be? We can download by HTML file also. I'm using for HTML tag. Second, I'm using for HTML file also. How to upload? So the file already downloaded by here. You can log in by cPanel. I'm logging cPanel. Book your properties. Go to File Manager. Simple step. In this, you can go back. Public underscore HTML. Here, upload the file. Select your file. The file will be showing for download folder. Check the option call is Google DBD 875 F9. Select the file and upload. We have two processes for verification. One is HTML tag, second will be HTML file. Without plugin, HTML file download and upload by the cPanel, where login cPanel, file manager, apply underscore HTML. With the plugin, select the HTML tag, go to WordPress dashboard, install all-in-one SEO pack, add the code for Google Webmaster option, click for submit. You will be with the plugin. One is called without plugin, second will be with the plugin. To verify the new Google Search Console option. This is very important by the with the plugin and the without plugin.